Hello, Jason Stretch from Legendary Automotive in Fort Myers, Florida. We're specialists in Jeeps and work on all types of other vehicles as well. Today we have a 2015 Jeep JK that had some pretty serious cooling issues coming into the shop. It was overheating. We found that the thermostat housing had been leaking for quite some time, running into a low coolant situation, which then turned and caused the head gasket, that's the gasket between the top and bottom of the engine, between the cylinder head and the engine block, to fail. For this, it literally means replacing the engine, right, from the cooling system issue. JKs are fantastic, but we've seen a lot of cooling system issues. Just last week, we had another engine replacement in a JK. Here's the radiator. You can see, I'm shining a flashlight through the back. You can see that it's not completely clear. It's clogged. There's tons of dirt in between all of these fins, so big important piece is making sure that that gets cleaned. The radiator was completely caked with dirt and caused a severe overheat and the similar problem with the head gasket. If you do off-road your Jeep, you definitely want to make sure you clean your radiator out. Obviously, with the cooling systems in the Jeeps, it's really important that regular maintenance and inspection is done by a qualified shop so that you don't end up having to replace an engine.